Hey guys, a lot of people have asked that if I upgrade my Mac Pro, would I do a video on it. So today I have a Western Digital 2TB Caviar Black that is going in the Mac Pro's 4th hard drive bay, and I'll demonstrate that upgrade for you now. So the Mac Pro has a little latch here. Just pull that up. This entire door comes down. This is the 2011 Mac Pro. And right here, you'll see the drive bays. They just pull right out. This is the only empty one. My first drive is, I have 2 Caviar Blacks in there that are each a terabyte, and then the boot up drive is a solid state. So just needed some more space, so I'm gonna unbox this. Just pop the plastic off. Okay, there it is. Alright, and now I'll just put this bracket, the 4 screws line up with the holes. Alright guys, the screws have now been tightened. Sorry about that, I'm doing this all with one hand, so. Alright. Then I'll just slide it in. And then just put the door back on. Put the latch down and start it up. Where is it? There it is. Okay. This is more so of an upgrade video for the hard drive. If you guys want to see my setup or anything, just PM me or leave a comment below. I'm also getting memory to upgrade the Mac Pro with, so I'll be uploading that as well. But this should be it. So just log in and see if it recognizes it. And there it is. You'll see a screen saying the disk you inserted was not readable by this computer. So I'm just going to go to initialize right there. Then I'm just going to select it and then erase it. I'm just going to give it a name. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Alright, 2 terabyte. Then just erase. It'll say formatting, and there it is. So guys, I hope you learned something, or how to upgrade your hard drive. If you have any questions, please let me know. And don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe.